Hey, history fans! Did you know there are mind-blowing facts about the past that didn't make it into your school textbooks? Today, we're diving into 10 history facts that will totally change the way you see the world. From forgotten inventions to bizarre historical events, get ready to have your mind blown. 1. The oldest known recipe is for beer. Beer has been around for thousands of years. The oldest known recipe comes from ancient Mesopotamia, dating back to 3,900 years ago. Sumerians loved their beer so much that they recorded the recipe on a clay tablet, detailing the fermentation process. So, next time you crack open a cold one, you're sipping on ancient history. A Roman emperor made his horse a senator. Caligula, one of Rome's most infamous emperors, took his love for his horse to the extreme by making him a senator. The horse, named Incitatus, reportedly had a marble stall and was fed oats mixed with gold flakes. Talk about a political animal. 3. The Eiffel Tower grows in summer. The Eiffel Tower isn't just a static monument, it actually grows in the summer. Due to the expansion of metal in the heat, the tower can grow up to 6 inches taller during warm months. It shrinks back down in winter, something they never mention in geography class. 4. The Great Wall of China wasn't built to keep out just humans. While many think the Great Wall of China was built solely to keep out invading armies, it was also designed to prevent nomadic groups and animals like horses from raiding farmlands. The wall wasn't just military defense, it was also agricultural protection. 5. Victorian-era people sent mummies through the mail during the 19th century. Europeans were so fascinated by ancient Egypt that they began shipping mummies home like souvenirs. It was common for the rich to unwrap them at parties. Even more bizarre? Some mummies were mailed through regular post. 6. The first submarine attack was in the American Revolution. The world's first submarine attack happened during the American Revolution. The sub, called the Turtle, was a one-man wooden vessel that tried to attach a bomb to a British ship. The mission failed, but it laid the foundation for modern submarine warfare. 7. Tomatoes were once thought to be poisonous. Can you imagine pizza without tomatoes? Europeans once thought the tomato was deadly because it belongs to the nightshade family, which includes poisonous plants. It wasn't until the 18th century that people realized tomatoes were not only safe but delicious. 8. Ancient Romans had public toilets, and they were gross. Public toilets existed in ancient Rome, but they weren't exactly private or clean. People sat on stone benches with holes, side by side, and shared a communal sponge for wiping. That's one part of Roman life you won't find in your history books. 9. The first recorded joke is 4,000 years old. Want to hear the world's oldest joke? It dates back to ancient Sumer around 1900 BC and goes something like this. Something which has never occurred since time immemorial. A young woman did not fart in her husband's lap. Yup. Ancient jokes were pretty weird too. 10. Queen Elizabeth I used lead-based makeup. Beauty came at a cost for Queen Elizabeth I. Her signature pale look was achieved using makeup made of lead and vinegar, which caused her skin to deteriorate over time. While she looked regal, her beauty routine was incredibly toxic, literally. And there you have it. 10 incredible history facts you probably never heard in school. If you love these hidden gems from the past, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing history content. See you next time.